In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix if Discord is not detecting your headset microphone. The good news is that there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to get your headset mic working again. Now, before changing any settings, check your physical connections. Make sure your headset is properly connected to your computer. Let's say, for example, if you are using a wired headset, unplug it, and reconnect it securely. Now, for USB headsets, most of the time you need to try a different USB port. Or if you are using a wireless headset, make sure it's powered on and properly paired with your computer. Once you have confirmed the connection, open Discord and test your microphone again. Alright? And then you want to make sure to set the headset mic as the default input device. You know, sometimes Windows may be using the wrong microphone. In sound settings, I want you to select your headset microphone under input. Make sure it's set as the default communication device if that option is available. After making the change, restart Discord and test your microphone. And then, don't forget to check the Discord voice settings. So I want you to open the Discord and click the gear icon near the username to open your user settings. And then it's important to select the voice and video from the left sidebar. Under input device, click the drop-down menu and choose your headset microphone. Now, if Discord is set to the wrong device, it won't detect your voice. So you need to speak into the microphone and watch the input sensitivity bar to see if Discord is receiving the audio. And then, of course, you need to allow apps to access your microphone. Windows privacy settings can block Discord from accessing your microphone. So, open settings and go to privacy and security, select the microphone and make sure microphone access is enabled. Also ensure that the desktop apps access your microphone is turned on. Once enabled, reopen Discord and test your headset mic. Now, another option that you want to look into is to make sure you update the audio drivers. Why? Because outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause microphone detection issues. So I want you to open Device Manager on your computer, expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click your headset microphone and choose Update Driver. Follow the prompt to search for updated drivers. After the update is complete, restart your computer. And then last is, if none of the previous methods work, you might want to try reinstalling Discord. Uninstall Discord from your computer, download the latest version from Discord's official website, and install it again. And of course, you need to log in and test your microphone. A fresh installation can often resolve software-related issues. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you fix the Discord not detecting your headset microphone. If you found this helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.